What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today gotta send a big shout out to Pitaka, guys. Pitaka sent over the mother load. I got multiple packages from Pitaka, and that's always a good day because I love their products. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. Some of these products, guys, I've been getting in house for a long time, and some of them are cut above, and Pitaka is definitely one of those brands. Love their accessories, love their chargers, things of that nature. So let's get into it. They knew your boy needed some help charging his devices, and they knew your boy still had the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and they sent over the MagEZ Case. They sent over the power dongle for the Apple Watch, guys. Got the power dongle for the Apple Watch, definitely dope. And we got the MagEZ Slider. So let's go ahead and just get straight into it, guys. So I'm gonna tell you how all this stuff work together, guys. So let's move some stuff to the side. Okay, first of all, we got the MagEZ Slider, guys, a rotating 3-in-1 wireless charger stand and magnetic power bank. So you not only get a charging stand, guys, you get it separates from the charging stand, and you got you a portable wireless charging battery pack that work with the famous MagSafe, guys. So definitely dope. Let's see the packaging. Very nice packaging, guys. Let's go ahead and check out what's on the packaging. We got magnetic attachment. Of course, you like that. That's one thing I hate about wireless charging when it first came out, finding that perfect spot. MagSafe compatible, pass-through charging, rotating dock, AirPods compatible. You can also charge your app. You can charge the whole ecosystem with this thing, guys. Reusable gel pads. Everybody's eco-friendly. Let's take a look at the back. And so you can see you got the MagEZ power bank that detaches from this, and that's a 4,000 milliamp wireless power bank for the iPhone 12 and 13 series wireless charger smartphone. And as you can see on the back, you can set your AirPods back there, and we got a Type-C on the side where you can charge your Apple Watch when you hook up that power dongle for the Apple Watch. And you can hook up that power dongle for other things, or you can plug just a Type-C cable into the side, guys. Definitely very dope here. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything out of the packaging, guys. Okay, guys, first and foremost, we're gonna get this Pitaka MagEZ for the iPhone 12 Pro Max on the device. So this is 100% genuine aramid fiber, only 17 grams, super lightweight. These cases are super minimal, guys. It is 0.85 millimeters thin, wireless charging friendly, and let's check it out. So this is thin, but at the same time protective. Phone case made from military grade material. Again, wireless charging friendly. Magnetic mount in your car when you got that Pitaka mount set up. It works with this case, guys. So this is a this is what you want, guys. So okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this first of all. Okay, so here we go, guys. We got the case. This is a beautiful blue case, guys. Very dope. I like this colorway. So we're gonna go ahead and get it out. And as you can see, we got some paperwork from Pitaka. We're gonna go ahead and get this case installed on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, guys. As you can see, easy install, very easy install, guys. You can see nice Pitaka branding. Very nice Pitaka branding. Nice and raised up around the cameras, guys. Very nice case. It's wide open at the bottom, you know, for your lightning and your speakers, guys. With a case like this, you definitely gonna want to go with a screen protector. Is no lip going on, guys. As you can see, the top is open, guys. But if you like minimal cases, and if you like I consider this like extremely, this material is extremely like rare. This Kevlar type material, this airman type material, is like super quality, guys. I love the way this feels. I love the way it looks. It's just a cut above when using materials like this for a phone case, guys. You can feel the way that they had to weave this material to make this case. Really dope. But let's go ahead and get to this charging dock, guys. Very dope. Now, as you can see, I got it broke down. We have the charging power, the wireless charging power bank, getting 4,000 watts. Now, this has that same weave airmid type material on here, guys. And as you can see, nice. Look at this black. I mean, look how beautiful this black is in contrast with this black airmid, guys. I'm loving the look of this just this little power bank right here, guys. And what basically happens, guys, is you get your power bank into the charging dock, and guys, what we do is take this is actually for your AirPods. You go ahead and you hook this to the back. This is like a stand for your AirPods, and it's all magnetic, guys. So we got the AirPods stand on there. We've got the power bank going on, guys. So let's get the rest. Let's just go ahead and set it all the way up and see how it looks set all the way up, guys. And we're gonna put the power dongle for the Apple Watch on there, guys. Let me go ahead and get that out. As you can see, this is the power dongle for the Apple Watch, guys. Very nice Pitaka branding on here. It's nice and clear, guys. Very dope look. This is some very fresh tech, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this cap. And there we go. It's Type-C, guys, so you have to plug it into Type-C. Plug it into the Type-C on the side of the charging dock, guys. Okay, YouTube, this is our finished product, guys. This thing is mega dope. I'm really loving this. I'm really gonna rock this on my nightstand. I'm not really a charging dock, guys, but Pitaka did this one so good, guys. As you can see, you got your iPhone sitting here wirelessly charging. I could remove it, and I can remove this power. This is a wireless power bank, guys, that's connected to this thing. So I could take this with me on the go. But let me hook it back up, guys. As you can see on the back, I got my AirPods Pro charging, and as you can see, it's rotating, guys. I just knocked it off the charger. Don't mind that when I rotated it on mistake. But there you go, guys. And you got your iWatch. Also, this adapter. I'm loving this adapter, guys, and I'm really probably gonna rock this on my iPad, because I like to use my iPad a lot, and I know it's nothing for my iPad to charge up my Apple Watch, guys. But just a very dope product from Pitaka. It's your man BG Tech Life. Shout out to Pitaka. If you're not following me or subscribe, go ahead and get subscribed. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.